Hello and good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristin Hildabrand, Warren County's Extension Agent for Horticulture, and today we are all month long celebrating gardening. We finally got our warm season vegetables planted, and so I sat down and had a conversation with two of our Warren County Extension Master Gardeners to see why they continue gardening.
Hello, my name is Miliska Knauft, and I'm an Extension Master Gardener volunteer with the Warren County Extension Office Service here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The reason that I garden is it gives me the opportunity to give back to the earth. First of all, it's a way of saying thank you to the Lord for everything that He's given us here. Second, it provides food for birds and insects and butterflies, and also food for my family. And third, it provides a place of peace and beauty for myself, my family, and my neighbors. Well, I'm a gardener mostly of perennials, so perennial flowers, bushes, trees, shrubs, roses. My front garden is more of a Victorian style, and my back garden is more of a woodland style. I have a variation in the front. More is like azaleas and trying to think Irish, Dutch Irish, lilies, different things like that. In the back is woodland, so you're talking about hostas and different perennial bushes and flowers and trees. I'm most interested in the perennials because it allows me the opportunity to actually view them from infancy all the way through maturity. So I can see them growing at their different stages. Plus, it also, the garden is like a living calendar for me. So from the blossoms, from the buds, the foliage and that, I can tell when it's spring, when it's summer, fall, and winter. So I can keep track of the 4 seasons. Well, what I like is to be able to share my learning, my knowledge with other gardeners so they can too also give back to the Earth's environment.
Hi, I'm Bruce Allen. I'm an Extension Master Gardener with the Warren County Extension Office. Oh, I garden because I love the colors, I love the smell, I love organizing all of it together, and I guess I've done it all my life. My mom and dad were always in the garden or had vegetables, or we always had plants in the house, so it just sort of grew into me. So now I'm doing it every day almost. So I'm a gardener of containers. I do put some stuff in the ground, but most of the containers, because I'm like an organizer. I like to put different stuff up every year where I can sort of find out what this color does or this plant does this year, and what kind of light, what kind of container, how it goes with other stuff. So I just really like to move things around and make it a pretty place to be. Yes, I get a lot of interest from the plants that we put out in the test gardens. Matter of fact, there's a few of them this year that I'm using that I planted last year out in the gardens and saw how they work together. And that went from the year before when we had the test gardens. Some of them sort of end up in my backyard. Well, the containers, they just seem to work for me. I like different sizes and shapes of containers, different sizes and shapes of plants. I love the colors. I love the foliage that it puts out, and it just makes everybody happy when they're out in looking out my backyard. I have a sun deck, and it's just, I just put it all around there, so it makes it very peaceful, and I just enjoy doing it. I got into it because I was doing gardening and containering before I heard about this program, and once I got into it, it was the biggest part of it is the social part, learning other stuff from other master gardeners in the group that we have. If you got a daylily question, you got a daylily person that's strong in that area, you can always find an answer to a question, and you have a group that you can do a lot of social stuff with, and also you get a lot of answers to.
Whether you're a gardener of herbs, vegetables, flowers, trees, or shrubs, there's always some benefit that you can gain from gardening. If you have any questions related to gardening at home, we've got a ton of information that can help you get on that journey. So thanks for watching the Farm and Home Show, and we hope you have a great day.